Did you actually though?
Where's the hoodie from?
No, did you? Did you actually?
What do you think God told you? What do you think God told you this year? What did you look like? You know what? What God taught me in 2024 was that faith without works is dead.
Hey.
Faith without works is dead.
I hear that.
Once you actually believe in Him, guys, you actually have to put that work in. Guys, you're not going to get something if you don't truly have faith in it. That's with my job. I think basically I was applying to a lot of jobs, but the first jobs I applied to, I was like, oh, I might not get it, I might get it. But then when I actually applied to this other job, the job that I actually got, how I applied that, I actually prayed over it.
Yeah, I'd pray over it.
This time, I'm gonna have to, I'm going to get it.
Amen. All glory to God, all glory to God. When people are sleeping, wake up!
What are you doing?
Wake up! Wake up! What are you?
It was seasonal.
But do you know what? The job is a job.
Wait, no, but you know what? I still have
The job is a job. Faith.
No,
Yeah.
the job was seasonal, but the faith is forever.
What did God teach you this year?
Discernment. Long day, guys. If you don't have it, you're gonna get dropped sometimes. You get put in situations. You've got to make the right decision for yourself. You don't need God to come down, son, don't do it. You should know. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. So that's why I learned sometimes I need myself to have to say no. Sometimes I want to say yes. How can I say yes? How did I get short? I say no.
Say no. Listen to the Lord, yeah.
You're gonna have a lack of patience. So that you can call on Him.
No. How do I stop this?
In this room, you know, you don't know where you can be in the future. You don't know what God has in plan and what God has in store for every single one of you in the future. But you know what? If you want to go to the next level next year, it's all good to pray. You know, many people, you know, back in the days will pray and then go to the rave after. You know, we really want to take this serious. We really want to go to the next level. And if we're going to go to the next level, we have to lay some things aside. There's some things that we have to leave behind that held us back in 2024 for us to take it further and move forward for Jesus.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
same.
2021, baby.
When you're not here, it don't feel the same.